Flame detectors act as the eyes of the plant, meaning they should be installed in a high location where there is likely to be a clear line of sight. Most flame detectors are placed in a corner of a structure or a fire zone to achieve maximum coverage along both walls and into the protected area. Detectors should be positioned 45 degrees downward and roughly 1.5 feet (0.5 meters) from the ceiling to maximize coverage and prevent accumulation of dust and dirt. Before you start the installation, make sure you have these tools ready. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to mount the detector using the tilt mount. First, attach the tilt mount onto the selected surface using 4 screws. Match tilt mount location pins to the corresponding openings on the detector enclosure. Thread the holding screw and tighten it. The detector field of view can be changed by releasing the horizontal and vertical locking screws. Point the detector toward the protected area and ensure the view of the area is unobstructed. Secure the detector in that position by tightening the locking screws on the tilt mount. The detector is now correctly located, aligned, and ready to be connected to the system. Loosen the back cover security screw. Unscrew the back cover. The back cover is attached by a security cable, preventing it from falling. Remove the protective plug. Sharp-Eye 4040 flame detectors have one universal wiring option output configuration. Within the terminal block, there are 17 terminals labeled 1 through 17. The detector incorporates several types of outputs suitable for different control systems. For configurations other than default, please refer to the user manual. To power up the detector, ensure that it is connected to a live external power supply. Then wait approximately 60 seconds for the detector to finish the startup procedure. During the startup, a yellow LED will flash twice a second, and then it will change to green flashes every second, indicating normal mode. Finally, place the protective cover on top of the detector. Secure the protective cover by tightening the screw. And now, your flame detector installation is complete.